Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Starting on the 4-hour chart of Tesla. So you see again this rotation zone holding very nicely. Key area we're watching now, also before I get to that, lower low in price action today, slightly lower low than the last swing low, and we'll double check that on the daily chart. And we're using regular hours only data, not extended hours. And you see we have a higher high in the RSI down here, so we do have a divergence, one of the things we've talked about watching for. That does not mean that it necessarily has to rally big. It means it somewhat can go into a recovery mode, which could drift sideways and let the bigger term rotation zone come down, or we could easily see a rally. The two key levels we're watching, the major levels, this 194.20 based off of now updated with the slightly lower low 194.20, and then the top of the rotation zone and 25 retracement coming in about 203.37 to 203.80. So I'd just be watching about this 203.30 level. Now the key area we'll be watching is this little high. It's just above the 8 EMA that came in at 191.41. So intraday above 191.50. Then we'll start watching for the next key higher levels, that 194.20, that 203.37, and there's a very key level intraday coming in about 199.70. So essentially you're going to have that key resistance at the round number. Doesn't mean it has to rally, but those are on any rally above that about 191.50. Those are the key levels we'll be watching for. Below that, the minor levels coming in at new 175.88 and 166.71. Now let's take a look at that daily chart. So here we have that daily chart. You see slightly lower low on the swing low. That 199.70 area, that's also right above where the declining rotation zone is on the daily basis. So that's going to be a very key area. I'd even say 199.50 to 200. Very key area based off the daily chart on any rally. So that's where we stand now. Let's see, major levels, since they are also slightly updated, 159.47 and then 133.90. So those are all your minor and major levels based off this price action. Again, we've had some low volume days. And Tesla holding up pretty well even with the market sell off today. So that's not bullish for Tesla. That just means it's running out of some downside momentum. And this generally happens with stocks, the upside and downside. When they've gone on extended streaks, they have to correct. And there's two ways they correct. They either drift sideways. And so right now it's sort of drifting sideways to down. And we'll watch what happens as the rotation zone on the daily basis catches up to it. Or we start correcting in the rotation zone. We reconnect with the rotation zone. And then we watch for the next rotation down, since we are in bearish mode on Tesla. So we have for you, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.